What happens if your weight increases abnormally? Want to lose weight at home in the right way? Let's follow a proper guideline. Day 1. Wrong diet, crash diet. Standing in front of the mirror, you feel terrified seeing your big belly and body. To lose weight quickly, you completely stop eating. But this is the biggest mistake of your life. Due to lack of nutrition, your body starts sending red alerts, and you feel dizzy, almost fainting. Week 1. Proper nutrition and detox. Now you choose the right method. In the morning, on an empty stomach, you start drinking lukewarm water with lemon and eating a plate full of protein and green vegetables. Like magic, that stubborn fat inside you begins to reduce, and you start feeling lighter than before. Month 1. The magic of home workouts. There is no need for an expensive gym to lose weight. You start doing push-ups, squats, and skipping rope right at home. Your whole body is drenched in sweat, and the fat inside you seems to burn rapidly, turning into bursts of energy. Month 3. Proper sleep and discipline. No more staying up late scrolling on your phone or eating junk food at midnight. With 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep, your body's metabolism, or fat-burning engine, becomes fast again like a rocket. Final result, fat to fit superhero Bumba. All the extra fat inside your body is completely gone. Not by starving, but through proper food, home workouts, and discipline, you are now slim, fit, and full of energy like a true hero.